How to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. So if you want to change the wallpaper on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change the wallpaper from the home screen, all you have to do is just to keep press and hold any empty area from your home screen. So I'm going to keep press and hold this one. You'll get to see the different option will pop up. And at the bottom, you'll get to see the wallpaper and style. Just to tap on this, and this is going to give you a few different options. So just go ahead and tap on change wallpaper right here. And inside this one, you'll get to see all the featured wallpaper are available on your phone. So you can actually go ahead and select your preferred one. But if you scroll down, you'll get to see your gallery wallpapers are available, and also the graphical wallpaper, and also you have the different color wallpaper and wallpaper services and downloaded. So all this wallpaper I have been downloaded from the Galaxy store, so you can download that one as well. So you can actually set any wallpaper are available inside this one, and also you can download this as well. So let's say I'm going to select a different wallpaper from the featured. So let's say I'm going to select this one, and this will be added, and this will give you a preview look on this wallpaper. And then go and tap on next. From here you can actually customize the clock style, and you can change the position the way you want. You can actually edit the home screen or the lock screen, and once you're done with this, just go ahead and tap on done here, and the wallpaper will be changed, and you'll get to see the wallpaper has been changed right here. And this is how you actually can change wallpaper on your Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.